So here if we see what is happening, we are considering this microscope, and here what is happening. So here in this case we are having this thing, it is here. So cell plate beginning to develop. So here it beginning to develop across the middle of a cell. So here it will develop across the middle of cell. So this particular thing, it is here. Nuclei, which is here, the nuclei, it is forming either side of the, so here it is either side of the cell plate. So this particular thing, it is here. Further what is happening, the cell, it is most likely, so here we can say the animal cell in the process of the cytokinesis.